Cranberry, specifically in the form of Theracran, is commonly used to reduce the risk of bladder infections, also known as urinary tract infections. It can also help decrease the smell of urine in people who struggle with incontinence. However, it's important to note that Theracran should not be used alone to treat bladder infections, as it may not be effective and could potentially allow the infection to worsen. It's always a good idea to check with your pharmacist to ensure the brand you are using is safe and free from harmful impurities. Additionally, it's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more information about the safety and effectiveness of Theracran. As for daily dosage and optimal timing, it's best to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare professional. When taking Theracran, make sure to follow the directions on the product package. If you are using the chewable form, be sure to chew it thoroughly before swallowing. If you have any questions, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist. If your condition persists or worsens, be sure to inform your doctor. Additionally, let your doctor know if you experience any symptoms of a urinary tract or bladder infection, such as fever or painful urination. In some cases, you may require medication, such as antibiotics, to treat the infection. If you suspect a serious medical issue, seek immediate medical assistance. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing, it's best to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare professional. If you take very large doses of Theracran, you may experience stomach upset or diarrhea. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. Serious side effects such as severe stomach or abdominal pain should be reported to your doctor immediately. While rare, a serious allergic reaction to Theracran could occur. Seek medical help if you experience symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. It's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist for medical advice about side effects. Before taking Theracran, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues. If you have had kidney stones in the past, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using Theracran. Liquid and chewable forms of Theracran may contain sugar, and the liquid form may also contain alcohol. If you have diabetes, liver disease, or any other condition that requires you to limit or avoid these substances in your diet, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about using Theracran safely. If you are planning to have surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. During pregnancy, Theracran should be used only when clearly needed. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. As for breastfeeding, it is unknown if Theracran passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult your doctor before using it while breastfeeding. It's important to be aware that Theracran can interact with other medications, which may affect how they work or increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your medication routine. If you suspect an overdose or serious symptoms such as passing out or trouble breathing, it's important to seek medical help immediately. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments while taking Theracran. This will help your healthcare provider monitor your progress and any potential side effects. It's important to stay on top of your appointments to ensure you are getting the most benefit from this medication. If you forget to take a dose of Theracran, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take your next dose at the regular time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to check the storage information on the package, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your pharmacist. It's important to keep all medications and herbal products out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of Theracran, Don't flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless you're told to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.